Good morning, my dear kids. Today our topic is to convert your angles into a new form called as radians. So पहले तो उसके बारे में हम लोग देखेंगे कि angles क्या होते हैं. So we have studied if I draw something like this is 90 degree. If I draw something like this is called as 180 degree. And if I draw a circle and if I ask you what is the angle in between, you will say it is a 360 degree. So we have learnt about degrees, but today we have to come across a term which is called as radian. Okay, my dear kid, ये degree होता है and we have to now learn about radians. Now what is radian? For example, if I have a circle and in that circle this is my radius. Okay, if I take this radius straight here और उसका थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा कर दिया, arc form में कर दिया, so this is your radius here, measurement will be same. And if I join this, even this is my radius. So what angle is formed by these three radius, these three equal measurements, that is this arc and these two radius will be called as radian. So that will be your 1 radian. Are you getting my point clear? So that is your 1 radian, my dear kids. Now, if I suppose tell you what is the circumference of a circle, so you will say me circumference is 2 pi r. But if I say you this is 1 r, this is 1 r. How many such kind of arcs will be required to complete my entire circle? So what you will do is you have circumference as 2 pi r and you have 1 arc length as r. So if I divide this, I'll get 2 pi. That will be the number of arcs in a circle. तो अगर इस तरीके से आप बोलो कि अगर मैं थोड़ा सा इसको क्लियर कर दूं तो कितने सारे आर्क्स मुझे लगेंगे, तो दैट विल बी 2 पाई. बट अगर हम लोग इसको डिग्रीज में कन्वर्ट करें तो ये पूरा सर्कल बन के आई विल गेट 360. सो कैन आई इक्वेट दिस इक्वेशन so that I'll get 2 pi is equal to 360, therefore pi is equal to 360 upon 2. So I got the value of pi as 180 degree. तो ये वो वाला पाई नहीं है जिसको आप बोलते हो पाई जो हम लोग 3.14 लिखते हैं. दिस इज पाई जो आप रेडियंस में यूज़ करोगे. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट क्लियर? परफेक्ट. ओके, सो यू गॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई एज 180 डिग्री. तो आपको ये समझ में आ गया कि पाई की वैल्यू 180 डिग्री है. दैट मीन्स कैन आई राइट दैट 1 रेडियन, यहाँ पे अगर मैं ऐसे लिखूँ तो चलेगा. दैट इज़ pi, that is your radian, is equal to 180 degree. So what will be 1 radian? 1 radian will be equal to 180 upon pi. तो जो आपने एक रेडियन देखा था, 1 radian here, this is r, this is also r, this is also r. At that time that angle is formed. Yes, this is an angle. So the value of this is 1 r, 1 radian, and that 1 radian is what, my dear kids? It is 180 upon pi. Is that point clear? Yes. Okay, then we have, so my dear kids, you got from here value of 1 radian, that is 180 degree upon pi. Now you can use this if you want to go for conversions. Like if suppose I give you to convert radians into degrees. So whatever value of radian I give you, you have to just multiply it with 180 upon pi to get it converted into your degrees. Are you getting my point clear? And if you want to convert degrees into radians, what you will do is multiply the given number in degrees with pi by 180 degree to get converted into radian. Is that clear? So my dear kids, if I give you to convert degrees into radians, for suppose I have given you 25 degree, you have to convert into radian. So what you will be doing? As I said to you, if you want to convert degrees into radian, you have to just multiply pi by 180. And once you solve this, your answer will be 5 pi by 36. and that is your radian. So you have converted your 25 degree into radian. Is that clear? Now if suppose I give you to convert radian to degree, in that case what you will do? Let's see. Yes, let's start. Suppose if I give you 5 pi by 3, this is your radian, and if you want to convert into degrees, what you will be doing? Now as I said you, radians को अगर आपको डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करना है तो you have to multiply with 180 upon pi, that is 5 pi by 3 into 180 upon pi. Cancel? Got my point clear? And you have to get your answer into degrees. So this is how we convert your radian to degree and degrees to radian. I hope you have understood the concept. God bless.